Hello student, welcome back to this video. In the last video we learned the parallel line, transversal, angle made by the transversal, corresponding angle, property of corresponding angle, property of alternate angle, property of interior angle, and the problem related to this property we seen in the last video. Today we are going to learn how to draw a parallel line with a given line. So let us start today's topic. So before start this today's topic, we'll solve the problem of the practice set 2.2. Example number 5. See the student, in example number 5, in the adjoining figure, line P is parallel to line L is parallel to line Q. Find angle X with the help of the measures given in the figure. See the student, line P is parallel to line L is parallel to line Q. Here I mention the letter A, B, C and D on the line P, L and Q. So from the figure we can say that angle A equal to 40 degree, angle C equal to 30 degree, and we have to find out the angle X. Means we have to find out the angle ABC. Now see the student, line P is parallel to line L, it is given. AB is the transversal. In the last video we learned the property of alternate angles. So by that property we can write angle A equal to the angle ABD. Okay, angle ABD equal to 40 degree by the property of alternate angle. Similarly, line L is parallel to line Q. It is also given, and BC is the transversal. So therefore angle CBD equal to 30 degree by the property of alternate angle, because they form the alternate angle. So here we use the property of a alternate angle. Now we want the angle X. So angle X, how you will get? Angle X means angle ABC, and it is formed by the sum of the two angle, means angle ABD and angle CBD. So already we find angle ABD and angle CBD. So angle ABD is 40 degree, angle CBD equal to 30 degree. So angle X we get 40 plus 30, 70 degree. Okay. Now student, after this we'll see the how to draw a parallel line to the given line. Okay. Construction 1. To draw a line parallel to the given line through a point outside the given line using a set square. See the student here how to get this answer. Now see the figure in the textbook. Okay, first of all we have to draw a line L. Okay, then take the point P outside the line and put the set square given in the textbooks. Like that you have to keep the set square. Okay, then after that draw the line from the point P. So we get the line M is parallel to line L. Okay, now how we'll get, we'll see now here. See the student here, first of all we have to draw a line. Okay, we have to draw a line L. Okay, line L. By using the scale, we have to draw a line. Okay, then after that, take the point A. Okay, here I took the problem from the practice set 2.3, problem number 1. Okay, first of all, we have to draw a line L. Okay, then after that, take the point A, then put the set square like that. You have to keep the put the set square. And while keeping the set square, okay, on the line and which is parallel to this, keep the set square properly. Then from the point P, we have to draw a line, and that is parallel. Okay, so like that we can draw a parallel line to a given line. Now see the student here. Construction number 2. How to draw a line parallel to the given line when the distance between the two parallel lines, distance between the two lines are given. Okay, their distance are given. So here, look here. To draw a parallel line to a given line with a given measure. Okay, so first of all, we have to draw a line L. Okay, then take the point A and B on the line. Okay, then after that, by using a set square, we have to draw a perpendicular from the point A and from the point B. By using the set square, we have to draw a perpendicular. Then by using a scale, we have to measure, that is a 2.5 centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter you have to measure. Then we get the point P and Q. Okay, at a distance of 2.5 centimeter. Then we have to draw a line passing through the point P and Q, and which is a parallel to the line L. Okay, then like that, you can draw a line parallel to the given line if the measures are given. Look here, student. Construction 2. To draw a line to a given line at a given distance. I took the problem from the practice set 2.3. See the student here. First of all, see the problem here. We have to draw a line M. Okay, we have to draw another line which is parallel to the line M. Okay, so first of all, we have to draw a line. Now how you have to draw, we will see now here. First of all, by using a scale, we have to draw a line. Okay, first of all, you have to draw a line M. Okay, then take the point A and B. Take the point A and B. Then by using a set square, we have to draw one ray and put the set square on point A. Draw another ray. Then by using a scale, measure the 4 centimeter. Okay, mark the point P and measure the 4 centimeter on this ray BQ. Mark the point Q. Then after that, we have to draw one line passing through the point P and Q. So we get the line N is parallel to line N. So like that we get the line parallel to the given line when the measures are given. I hope you understood the today's topic. So take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy.